All right, so today I want to do a tutorial over the Cupid Shuffle. The Cupid Shuffle is a dance that you will see in many different places. Pretty much every wedding you go to, they'll play it. They play it at the bowling alley, they play it at parties, things like that. So my goal for you is to feel confident that you can go to a place where if you hear the song and you see people dancing, that you feel comfortable enough to try it. So we are going to start with 4 slides, and I'm going to mirror you. So we're going to slide to the left, your right. And then we're going to do slides back, and then we do 4 kicks, and I'll remind you what kicking looks like. And then instead of doing the turn, the 16th of a turn or quarter turns 4 times, we're going to do jabs, so just straight punches. So it looks like this. So we start here. It goes sliding 4 times this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want you to practice that right now. Okay, on 3, we're going to do it together. 1, 2, 3. Slide, slide, slide. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we're going to do 4 kicks, and we're going to start with our left foot. Or I'm sorry, you're going to start with your right foot. I start with my left foot. So it looks like this. Remember, make sure we're on the balls of our feet, so we're up. We're off of our heels. We don't want to kick like this all flat-footed. You want to be bouncing like you're boxing. So kick, 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 kick. And then we're going to do jabs. So this is, I'm going to show you what it looks like, and then I have you do it. Okay, on 3, I'm going to slide to the left. 1, 2, 3. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick, 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 kick. Jab, 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 jab. Now, I know I jab, so you would jab with your left first. It doesn't matter to me. I know that in the dance, I jab with my right first, and I should have jabbed with my left because we're always sliding to the right, kicking first with our right. So however you want to do the jabs, up to you. So again, let's do it together on 3. 1, 2, 3. Slide, 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 slide. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick, 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 kick. Jab, 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 jab. Now I want you to get into position because I'm going to show you another clip like right after this that's going to show you the actual dance and you'll hear the music. So get ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Now kick, now kick, now kick, now kick. Now walk it by yourself. Now walk it by yourself. Down, down, do your dance, do your dance. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Down, do your dance, do your dance. Let me see you do the trick. Down, do your dance, do your dance. Down, down, do your dance, do your dance. Down, down, do your dance, do your dance.